Well, this is what I'm going to make today, a make it up as you go along salad. So it's shopping day today and I'm going to go out and get some new vegetables, so I'm going to use up everything I've got in the fridge, and this is how I'm going to do it. Okay, well that's it folks. I've just got to whip this dressing together. There we are. And here's our salad again. And what we're going to do with that is just pour this dressing through it. Mix it all up, and that's my, well, the second part of my lunch. The first part of my lunch was a bowl of strawberries with some yogurt, but that will do me just nicely for my salad for lunch.